Hello everyone, this is going to be a really quick favorites and fails video for August 2021, the best skincare and makeup that I have tried so far this month, and one or two maybe fails. I'm actually going to ask for your input on those, but thank you so much for being a subscriber and watching these videos. You can also follow over on Instagram. If you did not see the latest video, I will link it in the upper right hand corner for you. Please go check it out if you haven't seen it already. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. A lot of my favorite products this past month I am wearing on my face to let you see what they look like. Let me start with the most recent video that I probably just linked. That's the Fruity Pebbles and Cocoa Pebbles collaboration collection with Makeup Revolution, or iHeart Makeup, or what is it, iHeart Revolution? They have so many names. Why? I don't understand. Anyway, there is a complete swatch video that you can check out for the highlighters and both of the eyeshadow palettes. For my eye look today, I am using exclusively just a few shades from the Cocoa Pebbles palette. And I would say that both highlighters are definitely a success. I am wearing the Cocoa Pebbles highlighter on my cheeks in the video. Super strong, really smooth, buttery formula. And I was pretty impressed in using the Cocoa Pebbles eyeshadow palette too. In the video I just swatched them. It's just very easy to use. Is it a formula that is going to be like a pro level artist palette? No, but in some ways it's nicer to use something that blends more easily. You get a softer diffused look. It's much quicker to use shadows that are formulated this way. So it's lovely. On the lids I used the shade Crispy. That's this one here. And then in the crease, I think I used Caveman and Barney. Very nice, lovely. The Fruity Pebbles palette, I would say, I wouldn't say it's a total fail, but the smoothness is definitely more tricky on these brighter, more intense colors. All right, the next thing I'm wearing that I absolutely love is I have been testing out these new lip products from Clarins. These are the Lip Comfort Oil Shimmers. So I love the original formula. I've shown them in past videos before on my channel. They came out with this shimmer version, and to be really honest, I usually do not lean towards sparkly, shimmery, glittery lip products. So I was a little bit worried about whether I would like these. This is the way to do shimmer and glitter on your lips if you are someone who isn't naturally inclined to do that. These are absolutely beautiful. The formula is so nourishing without any sort of stickiness or tackiness or heaviness. The shade that I'm wearing on my lips is Pop Coral. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. So you can see that it's pretty intense in the tube, but it shears out a lot once you actually put it on the lips. Here's just a couple of the shades, so you can kind of get the picture. Anyway, they were kind enough to send the entire range of shades. There's like 6 or 7 at least shades in the range. I'm going to do a dedicated swatch and lip application video for you so that you can check all of those out. But I just wanted to let you know that I have really been liking this formula and the shimmer and the colors. Okay, the last favorite makeup product before we move on to some other things. I'm not wearing it in this video, but I already did a dedicated video where I applied it and I wore it and I wore it all day. So you can go over to that video to see what it looks like. This honestly is something that initially when I tested it, I was like, I don't know about this. But as I wore it throughout the day and as I have continued to test it out, I love the way this looks on the skin. This is Drunk Elephant's Rosy Drops. It's sort of skincare in a liquid blush. I think practically speaking, it's more like a liquid blush with a little bit of skincare benefit, but this looks so beautifully, naturally glowy, flushed on your cheeks. You are gonna be a little limited in terms of how you use it with other products, like if you're using a liquid foundation versus lightly tapping a powder foundation or just a translucent powder on top, things like that. But it looks beautiful on the skin. So if you are at all interested in this or kind of wondering if this is worth the money, please go check out that full review video. I personally have been really loving the effect that this gives on the cheeks. You know, I have to shout out Zoya's latest nail polish collections because they're pretty much my favorite nail polish brand. This is the Fall 2021 collection. I cannot wait. I'm tired of the scalding heat, the fires, just everything seems really kind of down and apocalyptic right now. But anyway, this is going to be the fall collection called Nostalgic from Zoya. Here is the color story that you can see. So definitely more fall inspired, deeper shades, some more gray based tones. And here are the shades up close. My favorite is this one. On camera, it probably just comes off as kind of like a burgundy or deeper red, but in real life, this is like, it is burgundyish red, but it has a pink undertone to it. Makes it really unique. Let's move on to a couple of skincare items that have been fantastic. The first is 2 new retinol-based products from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is their serum. It's the Advanced Retinol Plus Ferulic Texture Renewal Serum, opaque dropper tube bottle here. And then the other one is the Advanced Retinol and Ferulic Triple Correction Eye Serum. This comes in an air-tight pump dispenser bottle. The serum is not a sticky, heavy, or greasy, serumy texture. So if you're worried about that, you should not be. It's very elegant. I'm wearing it as part of my skincare today, so it doesn't add any sort of shine or anything like that. This not only has the retinol in it, it has bakuchiol, it has lactic acid, mandelic acid, of course ferulic acid as the name suggests, squalane, linoleic acid, salicylic acid, jam-packed with fantastic ingredients, no fragrance in there, no drying alcohols in there. Similar with the eye product, you have bakuchiol, retinol, ferulic acid, Camellia sinensis leaf extract, sodium hyaluronate, Centella asiatica extract, salicylic acid, licorice root, glycolic acid. Let me go ahead and show you the textures for this. So this is the retinol serum. Just sinks right into the skin there. And then for the eye serum, well, I don't know if it's a serum, it's actually like a gel texture on this. Nice and hydrating. Oh, it's just so, it's lightweight while being hydrating, especially for the under eye area, to get rid of any sort of dryness or crepiness. Both of these are just freaking fantastic retinol products. If you want to explore a new retinol product on the market, this is definitely one that I would suggest. And then Paula's Choice's newest lip product. This is the hyaluronic acid plus peptide lip booster. Of course, fantastically formulated, no fragrances, no drying alcohols, no irritants. I love the packaging. It has kind of a cooling, slanted metal dispenser. The product itself is clear. It feels absolutely fantastic on the lips for giving you that protective seal without any sort of stickiness, without feeling heavy, without feeling greasy. So all around, of course, the ingredients in here are fantastic. You have the namesake hyaluronic acid in there. You have peptides in there. You've got squalane in here too. What else do we have? We have cocoa seed butter. We have some beeswax in here, shea butter, to give you that protective layer. I mean, just fantastic, as we should expect from all of Paula's Choice's products, but especially if you're going into the colder months, you have any sort of issues with chapped lips, you want that smooth look on the lips. Fantastic product. Okay, moving on to, I don't even know if I want to call this a fail yet. It's something that I am experimenting with. I am continuing to test it. I've been using it for maybe almost 3 weeks now, at least 2 weeks, I think more than 2 weeks. So I don't expect to see drastic results, even if the product did work. I just kind of am a little bit iffy about it. I'm going to continue to use this for at least 2 to 3 more weeks. I'll try to check in with you again next month, but it's Grande Lash, oh my gosh, why is this so difficult? Grande Lash MD's Lash Enhancing Serum. So this is supposed to help lash growth. I am actually also using it on my eyebrows. That's really where I want to, because I already have pretty robust lashes from using my other tried and true lash growth serum, which actually has the science behind it to establish that it has, you know, ingredients that will help your lashes actually grow instead of just being something that hydrates them and conditions them. So I haven't seen anything noticeable, especially with the eyebrow area. So I'm going to continue to use this. Let me know what your experience has been, if you've tried this, if you've actually seen visible results that you trust. I would really like to know. Even the claims here, it says you see longer, thicker looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. So that's why I said a minimum of 2 more weeks. I'm effectively going to try it for another 4 weeks. So a total of about 7 weeks, and then check in again with you. But it says that based on a study, a 12-week study with 30 subjects, most of them say they saw longer looking lashes or healthier looking lashes. I guess my skepticism comes in because I don't see anything in the actual ingredients that would make your lashes grow. So there's a bunch of hydrators in here, which is great. I mean, it's kind of just like conditioning your hair on your head, but it's not going to actively encourage them to grow longer. So I'm going to continue to test this. For now, I haven't really seen anything. All right, there's the quick roundup for August 2021. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you go check out my swatch video for Clarins' new Lip Comfort Oil Shimmers.